Happy Nothing Phone 2 launch day. Let's take a look at everything that is new with this year's hottest budget flagship release. From unboxing images to the full design reveal to the camera samples next to the Phone 1, there is a lot to see. Let's begin with the leaked unboxing images. As you can see, this is how the box will look, which is similar to last year's box, but it has the updated Phone 2 design as we should expect, and once again it opens like the same way. You just have to peel it off from the top, and then we had the phone alongside a very unique, probably the best SIM ejector tool I've seen inside a phone box, some paperwork, as well as the USB-C cable for charging. As usual, there are two colors of the phone, so we have the black and white. They look pretty cool, and of course we have a dual camera setup on the back, but now we know exactly what this sensor is. It is actually the new IMX890 sensor, similar to the OnePlus 11, a very trusty, capable sensor. As you can probably tell by these camera samples, these images have pretty good detail along with great dynamic range. I mean, it definitely feels like a big step up compared to the Phone 1 in terms of the overall quality, especially when you look at the low light footage. There is a ton of clarity on the camera setup of the new Phone 2. Now, ultra wide angle lens is the same as last year, which is the Samsung JN1 50MP sensor, but now it has electronic stabilization, so we should be able to see more stable 4K footage. Now, the front camera is brand new. It is a 32 megapixel sensor. It does have a bit more detail compared to the Phone 1. Here's the complete spec sheet of the phone. Once again, the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 is gonna be an absolute beast inside this phone, combined with the new Nothing OS 2.0, which now brings an even fresher look thanks to the new Nothing widgets. Now, what about pricing? Well, the leaks are pointing towards a $500 range price for the Phone 2 as its starting base model, so that is, in my opinion, a great start of the price considering the specs and the features that this phone is offering. But let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. Again, everything will be official later today. Subscribe if you're new here. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.